Fonrouge Residence by Fabrizio Pugliese in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Viviendas Fonrouge is an expansion and renovation project in a low-density residential neighborhood. This intervention aims to create an essay on the transformation of the urban landscape, exploring an alternative model to total demolition, preserving certain pre-existing structures, and operating with a contemporary language using traditional construction systems. Neighborhoods and their landscapes are threatened by the systematic demolition proposed by the real estate market. In resistance to this phenomenon, the built capital, which is part of the collective memory of a place, is revalued, where there is already a sense of neighborhood belonging and the artisanal capacities of trades are valued, producing new technologies with traditional resources. For the new to find its place, we must first be stimulated to see the pre-existing in a new way. Peter Zumthor, Thinking Architecture. The program consists of 2 functional units since their construction in the 1950s. In this intervention, both units were expanded with a first-floor crowning and a terrace with intermediate patios, and the language of the housing units is derived from the anonymous compositions of the neighborhood landscape.